Yo, what's happening? Welcome back to another unboxing video. But before we get into it, if you're not already, be sure to subscribe down below, turn on notifications. Don't miss out on any future videos. Like this video if you enjoy, all of that good stuff. But today's unboxing video is a little different because I did not actually buy this. So, here's the backstory. Me and DirtyBird were both talking about wanting to do a camping item review, where we would buy some type of camping item that's out there, open it up, look at it.
Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
See how it works, and give a review on it. But neither one of us could decide on what item that we were actually going to do. So we thought of the idea of I buy him something camping related, and he buys me something camping related. We trade, and we open it up, not knowing what it is. We're going to have to figure out how to use it and give a review on it. And if you want to see the item that I bought for DirtyBird, go ahead and check out his channel. I'll have it linked up. I'll have it linked up over here and down below. So be sure to stop by and see what I bought for him. And also check out some of his other videos. Now, why his came in a Lego Star Wars Skywalker Saga box, I could not tell you. But if it was Lego Star Wars Skywalker Saga related, I wouldn't be mad. And so we also set up some limits for this. So, like, it had to be camping related. Had to be something that you could actually use when you're out camping. 50 bucks. What else? I think that's it. Just had to be something you could use when you're out camping, and it had to be within 50 bucks. Yeah, I say we get right into opening this thing up. Alright, so I'm going to flip it on over to hand cam now. So like always, I'm not prepared with something to actually open this up with. So I'm going to grab my keys. I've done this before. If you have some keys on you, makes for a pretty decent package opener. See that? Right through the tape. Oh, it didn't do so good on this side. This Amazon tape is something else. It's some tough stuff. Alright, I think that's it. Maybe. I can break that. Alright. Let's see what we've got here. You got your fluffy crap that you gotta have in there. We've got... This is what we've got. Zone Mosquito Repellent. Clean, no open flame, no citronella smell. That is actually going to come in super handy. Summer nights when you've got like your doors open and you're chilling out underneath. Like I want to have an awning out on the front of this thing. So I'm chilling out under my awning, door open. And I don't want mosquitoes around. Nobody wants mosquitoes around. Nobody likes a mosquito. So this will actually be super handy. I'll have to figure out how it actually works and stuff, but we got more to open. Oh. They always like double pack everything. I kind of want to see what this looks like. How it works. Fuel provides heat. Heat activates mosquito repellent. Mosquito repellent forms a protection zone. Okay. That is interesting. And the other thing, where I live right now, I'm like right by a pond, and we get mosquitoes like crazy. So if this thing actually works, that's gonna be a big big plays right there. You'll be sitting up on the back deck trying to have a fire, and mosquitoes just swarming you, biting the crap out of you. Clean, easy to use, no open flame, no citronella smell. I'm very interested in this. This is instruction book right here. I don't usually mess with that. I figure it out on my own. Need help? You can call the number. Anybody needs help? Call that number for your thermocell. Your oh, okay, this is instructions too. Seems simple enough. I mean, it's a small thing too, so I mean, being in the van, like I've mentioned several times, I'm sure you guys probably get tired of hearing me say it, but small things are much better when you're in the van. And so this thing, I mean, that's pretty compact. I think it's not gonna take up much space. Thermocell. Ooh, what am I doing here? Maybe I should read the instructions. Let's see what we've got. Here's the Mosquito Repellent mat. There's 3 of those. It is trans-elethrine? I don't know what that is. But we're going to find out if it works. I'm probably going to have to wait a little bit before I get to using it. Oh, here's a fuel cartridge. I wonder, it's butane. Okay. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking it was probably butane. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. A little fuel cartridge. So this will be, we don't have mosquitoes yet because Ohio is still dealing with winter in a way. We've got, we had snow yesterday in April, which is insane. So it's probably going to be a little bit before mosquitoes get out and I get to test this thing. But super excited to have opened this up. This thing looks pretty cool. I'm excited to see how it works. Oh, I see. Now I see. If you look at the bottom there, that is turning it on and off. Oh, so that must be like kind of an igniter. When you turn it to there, it ignites, and then it's on. Yeah, this is interesting. I'm excited to see how this thing works and give a review on it. But that will be in another video because, like I said, it's freezing out. I'm still running my propane heater out here in the van while I'm out here. Maybe I'll have to read the instructions. I usually don't do that, but I have no idea how this thing's going to work. So that might be something I actually have to do. Oh, I see. So you open this up, you stick it into this top bit. That's what has this is what has the stuff that's going to keep the mosquitoes away. That's the actual like repellent stuff. So you're going to open it up, you're going to stick it in the top here, like I'm doing, but with it closed. You're going to remove the cap off of this and screw it into the bottom. And then, like I said, when you twist this, I think that's an igniter in there. That's going to light the butane and start like a flame. That's going to heat this metal plate up. Going to heat that metal plate up and release the stuff that's going to keep the mosquitoes away. And it's got this view hole. So you can see when that's glowing orange, that means like sort of like a pilot light is lit. You'll be able to tell that it's on and actually putting out the repellent. Provides a maximum of 4 hours mosquito repellent per mat. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, so I think this thing's going to come in handy being in the van and also just in the backyard where we've got tons of mosquitoes. This is like extremely wet land. We get mosquitoes like crazy. So when I get to use it, when the weather actually warms up and mosquitoes actually come out, I will do a review on it and we'll see how it works. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching another unboxing video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Don't miss out on any future videos. Also, check out DirtyBird's channel where you will see what I bought for him. And be sure to subscribe, like his videos, all that stuff. He does outdoors hunting and fishing type videos. So be sure to stop over there if that interests you. He will be linked down below and up in the corner and whatnot. So definitely do that. Yeah, thanks for watching and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.